Okay, this is something that I ordered from AliExpress. This is a retail branch, retail arm of the Alibaba, the Chinese version of the Amazon. This is the third biggest company in the world, I think. And now I've received the item. I have to go to open it. Let's open it and see what is it. Oh, these are the Enviromesh I ordered from there. Each one was, I think, £8 or £7, something like that. And this is around, yeah, 5 meter by 2 meter, the big ones. If I wanted to buy it here in Britain, that would have cost me at least £35. And I not only bought one, I bought four. So that's really good. That's really good value for money. So let me open one of them and just see how it is. Okay, this is the Enviromesh that I've ordered from the AliExpress in China. They sent it by airmail. I bought it 10 days ago and it just arrived now. Oh, look at that. It's much cheaper than anything you can buy in eBay or Amazon. Actually, people who have shops in Amazon or eBay, they get their items from China like that. Yeah, they have Alibaba itself is for wholesale. You have to buy thousands of one item. Then you have to import it, pay the duties. But this is a retail arm of it, AliExpress. Really good material. I can see that. I must say it's a little bit thinner than the ones I've seen in the garden people, in the allotment people have. Let me go for one section of it. Yeah, slightly thinner. But if it lasts and is UV resistant, that will be all right. Oh, there's a problem. Okay, I must say that. Okay, this can be a problem. It can be not a problem. It's cut like that. When you cut it, the margins of it are like that. Hopefully, this will not be a problem. Generally, it looks strong to touch, and it will stop the little cabbage flies and everything goes, or other weevils and everything going to damage your crop, your cabbages, your carrots, the leaf salad leaves and such things. So being lighter, why not? It's better. Okay, I got four of these and I'm going to use them. What I want to say that is that for a extremely soft and light item, the packaging, the wrapping, then the safe packaging inside, this will be bubble wrap, and the third packaging, and then taping around all of it was really good with sellotape. Really well done, really well done. I'm really impressed by the quality of the packaging. And it was sent and at a good price. About all of this. Very nice. Less than £30, 4 packs of the 5 by 2 meters. Ideal for raised beds to cover them, or use them in a polytunnel. Or gives the extra heat. That's lovely. I like that. And it's also white. It lets the light go in through, and at the same time the rain also it may go through, and it also lets the air flow. Not as much as the without it, but anyway, it keeps it warm a little bit also in that sense.